Alright class, today we are gonna do some math test. I'll now pass out your test.
No, I'll not do some boring math test. They suck. So I'm not doing it.
Dark Tornado Monster Tiger. You are gonna do math test and that's final. Do it right now or you will be sent to the principal's office.
No, that's it. I will rip my math test.
Dark Tornado Monster Tiger. How dare you rip your math test? You know ripping your test can make you fail the test. That's it. Go to the principal's office. Now.
So Dark Tornado Monster Tiger, what brings you here today?
Well, you see, I ripped my math test because I didn't want to take the test.
What the heck? Oh my gosh, Dark Tornado Monster Tiger. Are you joking me? I can't believe you ripped your math test. You know ripping tests can make you fail. And doing school tests are very important for your job one day. That's it. You're suspended until the end of May. And you will be going to summer school. Go home right now.
What you did was very inexcusable, Dark Tornado Monster Tiger. We can't believe you ripped your math test. You know ripping your test can make you fail the test. You know what? That's it. You are grounded until the end of May. That means you will be going to summer school.
Now get your tornado tail to bed right now and get ready on your first day of summer school or else you will be sent to the demon realm.